This is what we went through during Hurricane Helene.
No power, but we have these candles, so.
It's okay. I'm scared. I'm scared too, okay?
We're gonna be fine.
We had no power, so we were scared. We're grateful because we still have our home.
Is this a good thing or a bad thing?
As you can see, not only humans were affected.
He's dead. What are we gonna do with him? Oh.
And like put like a little cross where we bury him.
I was being silly, but I really wanted to bury the bird. There was lots of flooding and trees down that caused power lines to go down too.
As you can see, there's a tilted power line from the aftermath of the hurricane.
Small tree.
Oh yeah.
Plus we got the aftermath.
Yeah.
Toasting some bread because Jacob was trying to plug the toaster in our car, thinking that was gonna work.
We went to the park to have some fun and distract our minds. We're sad because some people lost their home and lost everything. We could come together by donating and helping families who got affected.